Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Capricorn, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards. We have Queen of Cups in reverse, Lovers, and Nine of Swords. So Capricorn, in your situation, guys, in your work or in your relationship, there are certain things that are really pressing you, pressuring you, maybe some things you are really worried about. You have a timeline and you are not able to complete some work, or it may be in your relationship. You are simply worried because you feel that this person may leave you and you are stressed and sad, maybe sleepless also because of that. And it may be in your work situation or in your relationship, guys. You are seeing certain things going well for you, certain things going in the right way, but you feel that you cannot trust the outcome. So that hope or faith for your future, you do not have it. So something is bothering you or worrying you, or there is some kind of an uncertainty in your situation, in your work situation or in your relationship. You don't know where this connection will go, or how this person will react, or what they will do. So some kind of uncertainty is there in this day for y'all, guys. You simply don't know. You have a lot of confusions, doubts, and you feel that this person cannot be trusted. Maybe they are someone holding an important place in your life, maybe this person you love or someone, but you don't know whether this person has honest intentions towards you. So that is the reason you cannot trust them completely, guys. And maybe whatever you are facing, guys, your sleeplessness, your worries, maybe, or some troubles in this relationship or troubles in your work situation, your expectations may not prove right, but still there are some positive changes coming today in your life, maybe in your work, maybe regarding the suspended projects or deals, whatever it is. You may see some positive collaborations or partnerships unfolding in your life today, some positive changes in your life, or maybe in this relationship with this person you love. You would have faced a lot of problems, a lot of struggles, but all those struggles are bringing you both together. Maybe you are seeing them totally now. You see them in a complete way now, and you have a lot of clarity in your relationship now because of these arguments or fights. So your vision or your perception is complete and you are happy for it. Maybe the negative things that has happened in this relationship has brought into light what this person truly is. So some kind of understanding or clarity is what you see, and maybe you have overcome, or you will be able to overcome all your troubles very soon, guys, Capricorn. So that is what I see with these cards, Capricorn. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can either close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds about your situation, then choose the cards or the crystals and watch that reading, so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So you can think about your situation, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card and this crystal. Let's see what is the card for you all. So for those who chose this card, the card says water and salt, truth. So in your situation today, guys, maybe in this relationship or maybe in some circumstance, you are someone who is really truthful, honest, and who speaks the truth, maybe plain truth, and people around you, maybe someone really close to you, they may not like you speaking the plain truth. They may not understand that it is your honest words. It may be what you truly feel, but you may be punished, or you may be scolded, or they may come to fight with you because of speaking this honesty, and you are not willing to tone down this truth or flatter them in any ways. So you are someone who speaks your mind, someone who tells what you truly feel, and this may not go well with this person or someone in your life, and this is not the time to to speak just to please this person. This may be the time for speaking what is there in your heart, giving that clarity, and maybe there is no reason for you to speak otherwise. This is the time you are speaking the truth, plain truth, maybe in some situation, and this person may not like it because it makes them feel really uncomfortable, and they may come to argue with you or fight with you, or they may even try to break this relationship. But this truth is all that you need for to be in this connection, and you can never give it up. That is your situation, guys. But whatever troubles you are facing today, guys, maybe by speaking what is there in your mind or some truth to this person, whatever you are facing, someday this person will understand that your words are based on honesty, and that all that happened is their mistake, and they will realize what has gone wrong, and it is all their mistake, guys. So your honesty, your plain honesty, will be appreciated someday, but that day may not be today. You may be facing a lot of troubles because of this truth, but you can be sure that someday they will understand what you truly felt today, guys, and the reason for you to speaking such words. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second crystal and this card, the second card, we have lithium quartz, and it is a crystal spirits card, guys. So this crystal, it just stands for that calmness, composure, peacefulness in our situation, and connectedness with that other person. So how to achieve this peacefulness in a relationship? Peace comes in a relationship when we are willing to trust that there is more than one right way of doing anything. Maybe we are suggesting some things and we believe in our way. Maybe whatever this person is also suggesting may be a different path, but that may also be the right path towards that destination. So you need to understand that, and you need to collaborate with your strengths, and maybe in the areas we are weak, we can take support, and the areas we are strong, we can help the other person. So in a relationship, we are meant to heal and grow together, balancing each other in this relationship. And that is the reason opposites always attract. So we are opposites of each other. So the people in a relationship, guys, and we must appreciate each other's talents and skills and support each other. So that way we are working towards a peaceful connection. And this crystal promotes that, or this crystal energy is that going for that peaceful interconnection. So you need to understand and try to collaborate instead of fighting or arguing. Sometimes we must listen to that person, their ideas. So even their ideas may work out positively, just how we believe our ideas will work out in a positive way, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. So this was your first card, guys. Bye, guys.